Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. GetCoordinates3D. GetCoordinates3D enables you to create labels automatically for a part or assembly in order to display the coordinates of vertices or entities. You can either create 3D annotations or export the coordinates of your selections in a file. You can select points or vertices and filter the selection types. You can select entities and extract all points or vertices automatically. You can choose your extraction reference point. You can choose the values to be extracted and their format. You can choose all annotation options. I start by selecting the vertices one by filtering points, apexes, circles, or arcs. I then select all the internal loops of a face by filtering the circles and arcs. I cancel my last selection. I modify the extraction option by specifying that I want to create points in the centre of the arcs and circles. GetCoordinates3D creates a macro feature. It is possible to edit the function and modify it. For example, I'm going to add a new point, change the display to the inspection format, and modify the label for the diameters. If I modify the dimensions of the model, the labels are automatically updated. If you would like to know what other tools are available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award-winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.